Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
And we're gonna go to Colorado today.
So it's currently 7:28 and we are currently packing. We're almost done. I'm done, are you?
Yeah, I'm done packing to my mom's door to pack.
Yeah, we're actually ahead this time. She's usually waiting on us. This is mine. That's
And
his.
Don't mind. I have 1,
Yes,
2,
3,
3,
4.
4. Wait,
And then we have
that's not right.
snack bags. Yeah, it is. It's right. Because all your other stuff is over here.
I know, I'm probably gonna want the headrest. Well, now, 'cause it's
How long is this road trip, Bennett?
8 entire hours.
I know, that's a long time.
Yeah, compared to the last one, 3 hours.
Yeah. There's my car, doing all right. This weather is so cold. It was literally 80s last week, and now it's 38 right now.
It was 83 in Colorado yesterday, and now it's gonna be freezing.
So we have to get our pickleball paddles. Get the... This one's mine. One of these.
So we're in the car.
So we just got here. I'm talking quiet because my grandparents are right there. But right now, I'm putting my clothes and then my brother's clothes. And then my Bennett stuff. And then my stuff is in that suitcase. So we're just like unpacking right now. I'm so happy we're out of the car. We were in there for like 8.5 hours. Okay, so I just changed because I'm literally sweating. And there's just shorts and like this long sleeve. It's actually like really nice outside. Better than where we live. What are you doing, Bennett?
I'm trying to find a place to put this giant Titanic book.
Yeah. Pretty cute room. That's where I'll be sleeping here. My brother will be sleeping there.
Yeah, I'm still setting up my bed.
So my brother just made his bed. Mine's kind of a mess. My brother's on the couch picking out his... Oh, he's not on the couch anymore. I unpacked my toiletries and then my stuff in the shower, and that's my brother's in the corner. I'm so excited. I don't know what we're gonna have for dinner.
So we finished unpacking. Now we're logging into Disney Plus.
Tell them what you're gonna do later today.
I'm gonna hopefully help cook pumpkin bars and dinner.
Yep. What are you cooking for dinner?
She still hasn't told me.
So it's gonna be a surprise.
Probably.
Do you think we're gonna play pickleball tonight?
Probably.
Hopefully. There's super nice pickleball courts and tennis courts.
Yeah, that's
So
why
hopefully we'll get to use them. Their house is so pretty. Like their view and just their cute little deck. In their backyard.
I know. Big grass was a good
It's like a
choice.
perfect backyard.
Big grass.
We're going to the Rocky Mountains tomorrow, so I'll make sure we'll film that for this video.
Yeah.
And possibly a video on its own. We'll have to see though. Because I don't know exactly where we're going. So it's the next day. It's almost 8 o'clock.
Yeah, we're gonna go to Estes Park today.
Yeah, we're going to the Rocky Mountains.
Hopefully gonna reach the little town on it.
Yep, here's my outfit. Black shirt, gray sweatpants, and
We're in
then
the basement. This
my jacket. So it's so dry here. Like I woke up and my throat was so dry. And my nose was so dry.
Yeah, he woke up and his nose was so dry that he blew his nose in his snot.
Okay.
I was scared. The basement wasn't.
I'm so excited. Yeah, it's my first time being here. How'd you sleep?
Good. Considering I woke up at
This
6.
kid literally got up at 6 and turned on all the lights.
What? We had to get up early for Estes Park.
No, we didn't. We're leaving at 10.
Where are we?
Okay, this kid. Right now it's 8:58. We're just playing a little morning soccer.
Yeah. Yes! 8-3.
So yeah, we're leaving for the mountains at 10. Going to the mountains.
Yes, and just kidding. It's only 9:29. We'll be going in an hour and 1 minute.
So we're in the car right now. We're about to leave.
Yes.
I'm sitting in the back because my grandpa's sitting here.
And we
Mom and then grandma. So we just made it to Estes Park. We're in the mountains. The view is so pretty. Right now we're in McDonald's bathroom. Mom is ordering her meal.
Yes,
There's the chicken.
Nope.
Getting chicken. Okay, so right now we're just taking a bathroom break. So we were just up far, like 10,000 feet in the air, just like looking at the view. And then we're heading back down to Estes to go shopping. And I'm gonna buy a few things, I think. I'm not even gonna lie, I got like a little lightheaded. But now I'm fine. I just drank like more water. We're shopping.
Yes. Right? Yeah.
So it is currently 5 o'clock. We just got home. I'm just working on like schoolwork. But today was a long but fun day. Like those views that you saw are actually like the prettiest thing ever. So we just ate chili for dinner. So good, and cornbread. And we're just gonna go outside to play soccer. But it started raining. Like right as we went out.
And also tonight's the night you can see a comet.
But we missed it because it was only here for like 10 seconds. Yep. There's the chili.
That was a stupid waste of time.
Super yummy.
So
And the
we're gonna
cornbread.
go downstairs and play some Roblox. Zoo!
Here's the dark clouds.
And that's when things took a bit of a turn.
Oh my god, he's worth it.
It is currently day 3. It is 9:40, and we both just got ready, showered. He's brushing his teeth, and what are we gonna do today? Do you know?
We're gonna go to the grocery store.
Yeah, I think we're gonna just shop. Yeah, I don't really know what the plan is today, but I'll let you guys know. So we got taffy yesterday, and so we tried vanilla caramel and birthday cake. And I think they're rotten because
Yeah, I saw an orange this morning. Taste the exact same like those.
they taste like weird, like rat.
So,
Sponsor me.
for punishment.
No, you're not throwing that away.
I know.
Okay.
I'm just threatening it. You shall go with
He's threatening the bag of taffy. I'm gonna leave him all alone.
Oh, the true berry one.
God. Dun, dun, dun,
It's a little cloudy out, but we're gonna play soccer real quick.
quick. Yes.
I'm sure they have those.
And Bucky's. You like it?
Yeah. Koozies.
Yeah, there were some peanuts. I like Five Guys, but they're too expensive.
We are at In-N-Out. I'm so excited. Are you?
Yeah.
So this is our first time trying In-N-Out. I'm so excited. We just ordered. I'm gonna make sure I get animal sauce. We're in the bathroom right now because I got the number 2 meal. If you know, you know. It's just a burger and fries.
Okay, do you want some of this sauce? Do you want to try it?
I figured out what the sauce is. It's not really a special sauce.
Do you like it?
Yeah, it's just ketchup and mayonnaise.
Destroyed. Bennett. I rate that a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Delicious. I wish we had one in our town. So right now we are in the store. We're getting a few groceries. What are your thoughts?
Look at all that candy up there.
Okay, Chungus. We're checking out. So we just got back home, but we're actually about to go leave to play pickleball. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Me too. These courts are actually really nice, so I'll let you know when we're done. Okay, so it's a little bit later. It is currently 6:24, and we just played soccer, and before that we ate dinner, and just chilling for now. I don't really know what else we're gonna do. I don't think we're gonna do much. Just gonna go on my computer. I'll give you an update when anything else happens. I think we're done for the night. It is 9:30 and we're gonna go to bed. See you tomorrow. honestly, I have no idea honestly, I have no idea what we're doing today. So I'll give you guys an update. It is currently 9:17. We're at Kohl's in the bathroom. Do you have anything to say? Oh, you little turkey. So I found some shoes I like, but they're going on my Christmas list.
No, you don't like the color.
Yes, I do.
You literally said you didn't like
Okay,
the color.
bye. We're about to play arcades.
Yes, we are.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Good. We each got $20 worth of cards. Bruh. Our first time at 7-Eleven. They have a $1 donut. So it's a lot later. It's like 7. We ate dinner an hour ago, I would say. I'm super congested. I don't know if I'm getting sick. But we just got done like packing so we can just load it up in the car tomorrow morning and just leave because we're leaving at like 7. There's my bag. Yeah, I'll give you an update either later tonight or just tomorrow morning when we're on the road.